Hello and welcome to Speak. My name is Arya and today I'm here to show you how you can easily translate your media files using Speak. If you want to upload a file, whether you have audio, video, or text files and you wanted to get it translated, what you want to do is to click on New Upload over here. Once you click on New Upload, you can select an audio, video, or text file with various formats that we approve, and then you can just upload it into our platform. Another thing on the side note is that you can also upload YouTube URLs. If you have any videos on YouTube that you would like to get translated, feel free to use this option, and it's very easy. You just copy and paste the YouTube URL and enter it over here, and then it will get it transcribed at the first step, and then later on I'm gonna show you how you can translate it. So let's take a closer look at this file that I got transcribed. So this file is in English. As you can see, there are like two speakers in this, and also on the right side you can see we have the chat interface so that I can chat with my data. But today I want to translate this YouTube video into French. So all you need to do is on top of your page, on top there is the translate. I will click on it. Now it is asking me to select which language I want to translate into. So I will choose French. Once I choose French, I have to click on Confirm and Pay. And once I click on that, the automatic translation will happen and I will receive an email in my inbox when the translation is ready. Afterwards, you can come back and see the translation for yourself and even ask some questions from the chat interface. And then later on, you can ask some questions from the chat interface when the translated file is ready. Thank you so much for watching.